1. When using public transportation, allow people to get off before you get in. 2. Never try your friend's partner. 3. Avoid cancelling plans at the last minute. If you can't manage, say no or I am not sure at the beginning itself. 4. Make way for ambulance. 5. If you ask your friends for some housework, feed them as payment. 6. Avoid asking someone how much they earn. 7. If someone is typing the password, just look away, turn the other side. 8. If you borrow a car bike, fill up the tank before you return it. 9. Avoid using mobile phone when you are in conversation with someone. 10. Do not swipe right or left when someone shows you a photo on their phone. 11. Offer to carry the luggage from elderly. 12. While eating on the dining table, avoid keeping your left hand on the table. It is disturbing to the person on your left. 13. If you stay the night at someone's house, make the bed before you leave. 14. When you borrow money from a friend, pay them back as soon as possible. Never make them ask you for it. 15. Don't be rude to telemarketing executives. They are just drawing. 16. Never order the expensive dish on the menu when someone is treating you for lunch dinner. 17. Never give advice until you are asked. 18. Avoid making surprise visits. 19. Apologize when you are wrong. 20. If someone pays your bills, it is your turn to pay for them the next time. 21. Stand up and fight for a helpless person. 22. Avoid speaking louder or watch TV when someone is sleeping. 23. Say thank you or at least smile when someone holds door open for you. 24. Never block the path in shopping center grocery store. 25. Don't mess up an apology with an excuse. 26. Don't make plans in front of people you are not inviting. 27. Show the same respect to everyone. 28. If you are borrowing something frequently, it is the time for you to buy your own. 29. When in public, use headphones to listen music. 30. In case you miss a call, drop a message as soon as possible if you are unable to call them. 31. If you see an open tab, put some efforts. Go ahead and close it. 32. Never invade someone's personal life. 33. In public transport, please give your seat if you feel the other person deserves it more.